This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Beautifully cared for one-level home on a large 0.30-acre lot. Great room floor plan with a large living room with a gas fireplace, great for those chilly nights ahead. Formal dining room perfect for dinner parties or family dinners, large kitchen west/granite counters, an island, stainless steel appliances, a second eating area and door out to nice covered deck in the partially fenced backyard. Master suite west/walk-in closet, full bath and a slider to the covered deck. Beautiful hardwood floors and high ceilings too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.